My name is Craig Shallahamer, and I'm the president and the founder of OraPub, and I'm also an Oracle DBA. So what is an OraPub membership? What is this OraPub membership thing all about? Well, I think the best way I can explain this is to tell a story. And in many ways, it's kind of my Oracle story as well. Building your career and getting really good at Oracle performance tuning can lead to an amazing lifestyle. I mean, think about this. You can live anywhere in the world because you can work remotely. So there's always work, and there's always Oracle performance tuning work spread all over the globe. And, you know, there's like always more to learn, and there's always a really cool puzzle out there for us to solve. And if you want to transition into some other area in IT, this is a great launching ground so you can actually do that. So the situation, when you focus on Oracle performance tuning and get good at it, it's a really good place to be. However, getting really good at Oracle tuning, mastering Oracle tuning, it is for sure a long and difficult road. I mean, just think about this. There is a ton of information to learn, and it never stops. There's always a new release. There's always a new version, always a new patch. Algorithms change. I mean, it's really, really overwhelming sometimes. And there's confusing methods on how to actually solve problems to begin with. I mean, even the experts don't agree on this all the time. And there is truly no substitute for experience. You can watch all the YouTube videos in the world. You can read all the blogs. You can read all the books. But there is nothing like solving hundreds of Oracle performance tuning problems. And even after you do that, you know, honestly, there's things coming at you that you've never seen before. So, yeah, it's kind of depressing. It can be really overwhelming. It is difficult, and it's a long road to master Oracle performance tuning. Okay, so at this point, you're probably pretty depressed, and I totally get that. Okay, but I do have a solution, and it's a really good solution. What's happened is over these last 25 years of doing this kind of work, I mean, I've tuned literally hundreds and thousands of Oracle performance tuning problems. It's just amazing, if you want to call it that. And what I've noticed is patterns. It's all about pattern recognition. So anytime I see a problem, I can fit it into one of the existing patterns. And if it doesn't fit, then I know I have a new pattern that I need to develop. And I've gotten so good at this that I can even tell when performance issues are brewing and they haven't like just exploded yet. Yeah. And I've been able to teach thousands, literally thousands of people how to do bits and pieces of this. But I've never been able to put it together. I've never been able to actually just transfer all my knowledge and experience because it just takes too long. And so it's really frustrating for me. But what I did, I got a solution to this, is that I kind of created like an ecosystem, kind of like a lifestyle in a way where I can transfer all that knowledge and experience to people. And it works really well, and it's really personal. And this is the essence of the OraPub membership program. The membership program is focused specifically on DBAs who want to master. They want to master Oracle performance tuning. And this is how it works. It's like a gym membership. Think about this. When you go to a gym, you have a goal in mind, right? You go there to work out. You go there to get strong. You go there to be encouraged. When you go to a gym, you're like in pursuit of a dream, a pursuit of some kind of transformation. The membership program is just like that, right? You have a dream. I want to be a tuning master, and I need transformation in my career. So this kind of workout, get strong gym model it's a really good model of how the OraPub membership program is actually structured, and it works really well. The membership program is structured really simple, just like a gym membership. You pay monthly, you pay annually, and there are options. And you have a membership community around you that helps to strengthen and to encourage you. And you have a personal coach. That's me. You have a personal mentor. Again, that's me. So let's get real specific what's included in an OraPub membership. Now the list is pretty long, so I actually, I actually need a list right here. The first thing is the webinars. I call these the how-to tuning webinars because they're focused on how to do something, right? In contrast, I have really high quality video seminars, really high production, amazing content, I think, and they are focused on how Oracle works. So the video seminars are focused on how Oracle works, right? Internals, things like that. And the webinars are focused on, well, how to take that and actually do something with it. So it's a really good combination, really good combination. And I also do video seminars, not just on technical topics, but also personal development too, like blogs, doing presentations, stuff like that. And you can actually, there's a membership option where you can be assessed or take tests related to the video seminars. Now, it's true, you actually pay money to be tested, but I'm telling you, the people that do this, they learn more, and they are much more engaged with the membership program. I mean, I've seen that just over the years. We have an amazing forum. We use Slack for that. It's so cool. Membership, or members helping other memberships, and I also get engaged in that as well. And you can help people, which is another way for you to see other Oracle systems, more experience. It's really a good thing. I'm just so stoked about that program. It's so fun to actually watch people engage in that. Career mentoring, and that's a really big deal. And you can take this as far as you actually want. Kind of officially, what everybody knows about is what I call the custom curriculum. This is where I ask you questions, you respond, and I ask you more questions. And I put together kind of a path. It's like a learning path. It's a curriculum to take you where you are to where you want to go, which probably is going to be being a master at Oracle Performance Tuning. I will help you select and pick out the key OraPub resources that I have available, as well as non-OraPub resources as well. All right. So I want to make sure you get to where you want to go. Now, unofficially, though, is I actually work with DBAs, especially members, who are struggling either in work, they have work challenges, even family challenges, whatever. I am there for you. I look at myself kind of like a DBA pastor, and I really enjoy that kind of thing. So you can take this really as far or as deep as you want to go with me. All right? So that's pretty cool. I will even review some of your work if you want me to check, like, am I doing the right thing? And especially if you're going to submit abstracts to conferences, write papers or blogs, I would be more than happy to review that, because I'm telling you, there's nothing more satisfying for me when a member gets on stage and presents at a conference. It's just like a highlight for me when that happens. All right, any communication, emails you send me, you go to the top of my inbox. And people say, well, why? Because you put food on my table, and I'm gonna make sure that I get to you first before anybody else. Okay, and believe me, I get a lot of emails. Okay, so as OraPub members, you also get discounts on other things that are not included in the membership programs, like consulting, my LVCs, right? My video classrooms, you'll get discounts on those as well. So I think it's a massive value. There is some super high quality content that I put together just for members only. And you're going to love this. I figured this thing out so I can keep the cost super low. So anybody should be able to afford this, regardless of where you live in the world today. So if you want to live the life or have the lifestyle of an Oracle Performance Tuning Master, and you want some help to optimize the path, how to get there and have a lot of fun doing that and meet a lot of great people, you may be just right at that point in your career where an OraPub membership could just be perfect for you. Now, I've tried to explain this the best that I could, but if you have any questions, you need some clarifications, whatever, please feel free to email me. I wish you all the best in your Oracle Performance Tuning endeavors.